Welcome to Manager EDU. Today, I will continue my financial education lecture with a very important topic, the time value of money. So, let's get started. The time value of money is the core financial principle that money available now is worth more than the same amount of money in the future. Simply put, money we can spend today is worth more than the same amount tomorrow. For example, if I give you $100 today versus $100 tomorrow, which would you prefer? Exactly, money today. But why? There are three main reasons. First, if I give you $100 today, you can earn interest or returns on it until tomorrow. Second, inflation means your money tomorrow may not have the same purchasing power as money today. And third, there is risk. Will I actually give you the same $100 tomorrow? Now, what is future value? Future value is the estimated worth of a current investment at a specific future date based on an assumed rate of growth or interest. As I mentioned in the previous example, if I keep money in a bank for a period, after some time, which we also call money tomorrow, the bank may give me some excess amount along with my principal. This is my earnings. So money I had yesterday, say $100, may have a different value tomorrow because of growth. For better understanding, you can watch my previous lecture on interest and its calculation. Now let's look at the time value of money formula. First, we calculate future value using simple interest. Suppose we have the following data. Present value, $100, R factor, 10%, number of years, 4 years. The formula for the future value via simple interest method is future value equals present value, open bracket, present value multiply by R factor multiply by number of years, periods. First, we must understand what the R factor is in the time value of money. Some people think R is simply the interest rate, but R is not just the interest rate. It is calculated by financial experts by considering the following factors. R factor equals interest rate plus inflation rate plus risk factor. When these are all combined, they form the R factor. The R factor is always greater than just the interest rate because the interest rate is only one part of it. Now, let's put the data into the simple interest formula. Present value equals $100, then $100 multiplied by R factor, 10%, multiplied by 4 years. First, convert the percentage to a number. 10% equals 0.10. Then 100 multiplied by 0.10 equals 10. 10 multiplied by 4 years equals 40. So the calculation inside the bracket gives us 40. Then add the present value. 100 plus 40 equals $140. Therefore, the future value using simple interest is $140. So in the below graph, you can see $100 in 2025 equals $140 after 4 years in the 2029. Now, let's calculate using compound interest with the same data. The formula is future value equals present value multiplied by open bracket 1 plus R close bracket raised to the power of n. Let's put the data in the formula. Present value is $100, R equals 10%, number of years equals 4. First of all, convert percentage into number, that is, which is 0.10. 1 plus R factor, so 1 plus 0.10 equals 1.10. Then raise 1.10 to the power of 4 years equals approximately 1.4641. Now multiply that by the present value. $100 multiplied by 1.4641 equals $146.41. So the future value using compound interest is $146.41. Now, note that this future value calculation assumed compounding once a year. If compounding is done twice a year, semi-annually, then the interest rate will be divided by 2 and the number of periods will be multiplied by 2. Similarly, if compounding is done quarterly, the interest rate will be divided by 4 and the number of periods will be multiplied by 4. If compounding is done daily, the interest rate will be divided by 365 and the number of periods will be multiplied by 365. That covers future value calculation. Now, what if you want to calculate present value? We can derive the present value formula from the same future value formula by dividing both sides by 1 plus r raised to the power of n. Then we have to cross both sides while present value will remain single one side of the equal. So the formula becomes present value equals future value divided by open bracket 1 plus r close bracket raised to the power of n. Now, I have a question for you. You have to calculate the present value using the following data. Give me your answer in the comments section. If your answer is correct, I will appreciate it. If it is wrong, I will correct it. That was all about the time value of money. I hope you understood it. If you have any questions, comment below and I will teach you. Thanks for watching.